Hello guys, this is Ike Akingbola speaking. You're welcome back to my channel. In this video I quickly want to show you how you can change the account, your Facebook account name. So for instance, I've seen so many of my customers, they've named their Facebook account a different name, and right now they want to change the current name they are having to their real name on the ID card. So this particular process is very important, especially if you have an account that is carrying probably your business name and you need to carry out verification process on Facebook. That means that you need to make sure that the account is active. You need to make sure that the account is carrying your name, the name that is appearing on your Facebook account. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's say the name of your business is Dotun Hair Company. So you now name your Facebook account Dotun Hair Company. So for instance, you can see my name showing up here. So let's say I want to change this particular name. All you need to do, how did I come here? So this is your Facebook account. You can use the app, or you can use what's it called now? You can use the Facebook app, or you can use the browser, depending on whatever you're using. So I'll come to my profile here. This particular logo is what I'm clicking on. So once I do that, I'll come to settings. You can see settings logo here. So once you click on settings, it will show you. You'll come down to personal information. You can see personal information. Under settings, you see personal information, and you can see name. So there is a name on this account, and if in case I want to change the name, so you just come here, the first name, so you can confirm that with the name on your ID card. So what's my first name? I can put in my first name here and then put in my last name here as well. So once I do that, I can click on review changes. So note that, don't forget, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, character, or random words. Do you understand? So you can change your name just by coming to this part. So if you are on your Facebook app as well, your Facebook what's it called now, you are currently on your browser. So let me see if I can show you something on my browser as well. So you have your Facebook logged in. Let's go to Facebook quickly. So I am currently facebook.com. So I want to go to Facebook so that I'll show you how you can do it from your browser. So log into which of these accounts. Let's log into my personal account. So once I log into my personal account and I want to change the name on my Facebook account, all I need to do is follow the procedure I showed you when doing that on the app. So what do you do from here? So don't forget that this is on the basic mode. I have to switch it from the basic mode to the normal mode. I want to use my data to browse because I'm using Airtel, so that's why I'm going through all this. Normally, once you log in, this should be the display on your phone. Is that okay? So once you have this display, you can go ahead and do what I'm doing now. So on the top right corner, you click on the three lines here, these three lines. Once you click on the three lines, then you would scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Look at settings and privacy. So this is why I'm showing you these two methods, is because so that you might, depending on which one you have available to you, will determine what you'll be using. So once you click on settings and privacy, click on settings. Once you click on settings, then you scroll down to personal account information. So okay, personal account information. Okay, this is it on the top here. Personal and account information. So you can see name. Click on name. Let's click on name. Then I can change the name here too. Do you understand? So the same procedure I've done there, I can do here as well. So I hope this video has been very helpful. So if you're having any issues, so the reason, like I said, why you do this is just to make sure that your Facebook account, the details on your Facebook account is correlating with the details on your ID card, which is very important if you're having identity confirmation issue on Facebook. All right, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.